Hello, in this lecture we are going to learn about the 3D basics. For working on 3D in AutoCAD there are certain menu options and certain tools are available that we can get from this menu. Click here on this drop down menu, select 3D basics, click here, and then you can convert your whole screen into the 3D basics. Now we can see the command has been changed on the panel. Now these are create, edit, draw, modify, selection and coordinate. And these are layers. Each panel is dedicated for some different kind of operations. Like this create section is dedicated to create the solid, and these are to modify the created solid, and these are to create the 2D drafting, that is the prerequisite to create the 3D model. These are some modify commands which we have already learned in some previous lectures for the 2D drafting. These are some selection command which gives you facility to select in a very easier way. You can restrict your selection with some restrictions, and these are some coordinate systems. Before starting learning 3D, we should know about the 3D model, what actually it is. In previous lecture we have seen that we were working on 2D. That means you are working on X and Y plane, means XY plane. We were working on the single plane, but here we were working on the Z dimension also. That means we can take an example. Suppose we are creating a rectangle, this. Now if we want to check the Z dimension of this rectangle, what we can do, we have a wheel over here. Now I will click on the corner of this square like this, and it will convert into the Z direction also. Now we can easily see X, Y and Z direction. Here we can see only two dimension, X and Y. The Z dimension is not available in this particular rectangle. So if we want to create a 3D object with the help of this rectangle, we can take any command like Extrude. We will learn it in some little lectures. Select object, now like this. Now you can see, again I am drawing a rectangle. Now you can see the difference between 3D and 2D. This rectangle which I have created with the help of this 2D command rectangle, this is 2D rectangle, and this parallel pipe has been developed by the help of this rectangle. This is the 3D. You can convert your 3D in some shading mode. These are available in this layer command. Suppose like this. Now you can better understand the difference between 2D and 3D.